I've seen Christopher Nolan's movie. Have you watched it? He's a Hollywood director, a very famous director at the basis of science. So he took too many concepts from science and made a fictional test. So some of the most complex films which we say about him is like Tenet, Interstellar, Inception, etc. etc. So I'm here to explain about Inception and Tenet as well as a small time travel concept from Avengers Endgame. So let us begin with a scene from Inception and we can have a basic idea of what we are trying to do. Basically, what we have seen in this scene is like a dream in which people create their own world and create some specification to the basis of science, and they created a dream from another person's subconscious. So, for example, here there are two people, and there are too many things which we see in our real world. That is based on the science and physics and engineering which are active in our world. People from many industries have worked on this construction of dream. So, physicists have created some basic physics which employ in this real world. So, we are going to see one concept like Newton's laws of motion, which explains how the people walk on the road and how the other objects react to things. So, let us see the first law of motion. So, first law of motion denotes that an object stays at rest unless an external force is applied on it. At the same time, an object stops moving unless an external force acts on it while moving. So, for example, I'm having a pen in my hand and I keep it on the floor. It means that it is at rest, and unless I apply an external force, it doesn't move. At the same time, when an object is moving on, unless I apply some external force on it, it doesn't stop moving. So that is what the first law of motion explains, and this satisfies in that dream world also. So let us move on to the second law of motion. It says that the force which is acting on a body is equal to the rate of change of momentum. So that is also a scientific concept or physical concept which applies on that dream world. This is made by some physicists involved in that project. So let us move on to the third law of motion. Third law of motion is the most familiar law which most of the people know. So it says that every action has an equal and opposite reaction in the opposite direction. So here what we are saying, when we punch someone, we also feel the force on our hand as well as the guy who is punched also feels the force. That is what Newton's law explains. But still, we have seen that some construction errors happen in that world. For example, you will see that two layers of land get bent together. That is all creation of human, like modification, which is also implied by the physics. But it is not true in this whole world. We cannot control it. So now let us move on to the next film, Tenet. Tenet is some of the most complex film which is directed by Christopher Nolan. And let us have a scene from Tenet which has some core concept which we are going to explain. Well, seeing the scene, we can have some idea, but to have a clear cut idea, I just explained it. So, people thought that Tenet is a film based on time travel. Actually, it is not based on time travel, it is based on the direction of time, whether it's moving forward or backward. So, when you say you shoot a gun, you shoot a bullet from a gun, usually when time is moving forward, it goes out of the gun. But when the time is reversed, the direction of time is reversed, it's not like shooting the gun, it is catching the gun. The damage wall get repaired over here means